about Singapore. Welcome on board. We take you on a trip to the Fortune School of Technology and Management, FSTM, based in Singapore. Singapore is an island city-state located at the southernmost tip of Peninsular Malaysia, with its an amalgamation of cultures, with Indians constituting 10% of the total population. It's a safe country to be in. Fortune School of Technology and Management is a joint venture by the IET, Alwar and Arya Group of Colleges, Jaipur. Today, they have 14 colleges and student strength of about 13,000 students and more. Their latest venture, Fortune School of Technology and Management, is situated at 10 La Salle Street, East Coast of Singapore. The idea behind starting FSTM was to provide international quality education to Indian students and equip them with the skills required to face the tough competition in the global job market. At FSTM, an affordable price on a fast track. Our motto is, degree wise, be wise. We are accredited by the British Council in Singapore with Ministry of Education, Singapore. Our affiliation with the ABE UK enables us to provide a degree progression pathway to our students to the different universities in UK, USA, Australia, Canada, Netherlands, and many more ABE accredited universities. We offer an 18 months advanced diploma in business management, business information system, travel, tourism and hospitality management. A postgraduate diploma of 1 year in business management. We also give 100% job placement assistance to our students. Campus. To facilitate high quality education,
we have a state-of-the-art college campus.
Spread over 3 acres of land, the lush green surroundings with playing fields, indoor multipurpose sports hall, a gymnasium and various courts for sports provide a stimulating ambience. Infrastructure. The state-of-the-art infrastructure includes very well-equipped, spacious, airy, well-lit classrooms. Every classroom has comfortable seating arrangement with modern furniture and LCD settings. Computer labs.
Students are privileged to get a state-of-the-art Wi-Fi campus
with 24/7 access to the internet. We have high-quality computer labs to meet the requirement. Library. A very well-stocked library with more than 2,000 titles of books, CDs, DVDs, printed journals, on-site access to key learning facility, all in a very serene and inspiring environment. An adequate seating arrangement with excellent furniture. Personality Development Room. To equip our students to meet the global challenges and arm them with the cutting edge, we have a stimulating personality development room for seminars and group discussions. Here, we also provide for a counseling session to our students. Conference Room. Our conference room is an ideal setup for the promoters and the management to deliberate on the day-to-day administrative issues and policy making. Cafeteria. Though last but not the least, The cafeteria offers a wide variety of healthy, nutritious and tasty snacks and meals with Indian cuisine, a place for all to enjoy. Hostel. Our comprehensive student accommodation is very cost effective and comfortable. Just at a distance of 750 meters from the college, spread in an area of 5 acres with open, lush green beautiful surroundings. The hostel provides best accommodation facility to 300 students. The boys' accommodation is separate from the girls' accommodation. The rooms are air-conditioned, spacious, well-lit and well-furnished with individual comfortable beds, almirahs, study tables and other furnishings to give the feel of home away from home. The students are provided Indian meals 3 times a day. The hostel facility ensures a comfortable and safe stay for the students so that they can be focused and dedicated to achieve success in their endeavors. Fortune School of Technology and Management, Singapore Campus, 10 La Salle Street, East Coast of Singapore, 456933. Telephone number 6562441471. Head Office, India. C25 Bhagat Singh Marg, Tilak Nagar, Jaipur. Our phone number is 141-262-62100. You can also visit us at fstmsingapore.com. Our toll-free number is 1800-102-1055. You can also SMS us on 995002700 and 995002800. FSTM Singapore hopes that all its students will have an enriching and memorable academic stay in Singapore and wishes all its students best of luck for a bright global future.